What's up, YouTube? So, was planning on this vlog to be in the car, but a beer happened. So, as you guys might have guessed in the title here, having a little bit of car trouble for the first time since the car has been Procharged. So, not quite sure what it is. Got my check engine light turning on after the car is warmed up. You know, like if I drive for a little bit, get it warm, hot day out, and I park it, go into the store, grocery store, something like that. Whatever's gonna take about 20-ish minutes or so. But if I come back out and I start the car, if I don't drive right away, the check engine light ends up turning on. The car, it runs fine and everything like that, but you know, if the check engine light's turning on, something's wrong. So I went ahead and I pulled the code, and this is what I got. So, a bunch of garbage stuff, I guess. You know, it's powertrain too lean, too rich, injector circuit 1. So beyond anything that I can necessarily think of how to fix on my own. So luckily, RPM, they're a great shop, and you know, they not only do performance modifications, they do your day-to-day maintenance and car repairs and stuff like that too. So excuse me. I'm actually going to bring it over to the shop here, and I'm completely confident in their ability to be able to fix this car. So probably not going to happen today. Obvious reasons. But anyways, you know, just wanted to be able to get with you guys a little bit and just talk to you and, you know, say, you know, Procharging car, completely worth it up to this point. I don't think it's going to change my opinion with this issue right now. I'm pretty sure it has nothing to do with the modifications or anything like that. But stay tuned, and I'll give updates on this repair here. You know, with check engine lights. Who knows? It could be just trash codes. It could be something's wrong. But we'll see what's going on with this. Stay tuned, guys. We'll see you on the next video. Cheers.